In today's show, the Bitcoin price just surged to $9,900. Is upside past $10,000 possible? We'll be breaking this down and discussing it in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at what popular crypto analyst Josh Rager has to share. He wrote, "Hey, Bitcoin, you are alive." Very important that Bitcoin price can get above and stay above $9,800 here, which we're currently above. So this is looking pretty good for BTC. Also, Horn Hairs wrote BTC macro update. Price up against Monday's high and current weekly open here at 9,900. Again, as long as 9,500 weekly support and one-day bullish structure holds, I expect the party to rage on to the upside. 10,200, then 11,000 until 9,500 breaks on the one-day close. Life is easier as a bull. We'll be breaking this down. Also in today's show, the Simpsons just ran a Bitcoin segment and crypto Twitter is raving about it. I'll be sharing with you some clips from this segment, and we're talking about how that affects the Bitcoin and crypto market. Also, Larry Kermack wrote, volume in February is continuing to shoot up. That's historically a really good sign about the market. It's almost at the same level as in May now, so some more bullish sentiment for you. And also in today's show, can the total crypto market cap hit $10 trillion by 2023? And if it did, where would that put the Bitcoin price? I'll be sharing that with you here in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, all the major cryptos are back in the green. Bitcoin's pumping along with the rest of the alt market. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? We'll be discussing all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story. The BTC price just surged to 9,900. Is upside past $10,000 possible? Let's discuss it. Just recently, the crypto market mounted a surprise recovery after falling to 96.50 and being stuck there for about 36 hours. We just reached as high as 9,945. This rapid 2% gain from 9,700 liquidated a mere 15 million worth of short side positions on BitMEX, as leveraged traders have been delivering their positions over the past day or two when Bitcoin started to stagnate. So Bitcoin surges past 9,900, leaving many asking, well, what's next for the Bitcoin price? As this move just took place, analysts have yet to formulate complex responses to the price action, though there are some already trying to extrapolate what Bitcoin's 2% surge means for its short-term outlook. Mexbt, a popular trader, noted that the crypto, having broken out of the short-term ascendant triangle in this recent move, has a measured target of around 10,220, which is 3.2% above the current price. Notably, Bitcoin has yet to confirm a 4-hour close above the ascendant triangle Mexbt drew, though there are good chances it will, setting Bitcoin up for such a move. There's also the below chart from Josh Rager, a well-known investor and content creator in this chart, which was accompanied by another one posted on Rager's Telegram channel. The analyst largely implied that the crypto could head towards the top of the range just above 10,100. A close above that range would set the stage for a move to fresh local highs above 10,500. And taking a look at this tweet from Josh Rager on crypto Twitter, he wrote, "Hey Bitcoin, you are alive. Very important that Bitcoin price get above and stay above $9,800 here, which we are currently at. Bitcoin is currently trading at $9,854, up 2% for the day." And taking a look at some of the replies to his tweet, John wrote, "It's fine. It might hit 8,500 or 8,000. No big deal. Whales push price down so they can accumulate more BTC at lower levels, and then it shoots way up again. Bitcoin has always done this." Manuel wrote, "Do you think that it will stay above 9,800? And Josh Rager responded, "For now, but I think it may top out for a lower high near 10,000 to 10,200. There's also Horn Hairs, who wrote that Bitcoin's currently up against heavy resistance at 9,900. Monday's high in the weekly open, though he remarked that as long as 9,500 stays intact on the daily and weekly basis, he would be inclined to suggest that a move to 10,200, then to 11,000 will take place in the coming weeks. Taking a look at his his tweet on crypto Twitter. He wrote, BTC macro update, price up against Monday's high and current weekly open are here at 9,900. Again, as long as 9,500 weekly support and one-day bullish structure holds, I expect the party to rage on to the upside, 10,200, then 11,000 until 9,500 breaks on a one-day close. Life is easier as a bull. And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below this video in the description for you to check out and reference for yourself. Wolf responded to this tweet, bro, it's going up to 11,800 to close the gap, then it's going to rush down to 8,500 to close all the other gaps. What do you think? Do you think it's going to close some of these CME futures gaps? Let me know in the comments right down below. And in other crypto news, The Simpsons just ran a Bitcoin segment and crypto Twitter is raving about it. It happened. Bitcoin and crypto got their own segment. Brief on The Simpsons, one of television's most popular shows of all time. I remember The Simpsons when I was a child, and they still have shows. I think it's the longest running cartoon, at least in my lifetime. So what exactly happened during that segment? And more importantly, how is the industry responding to it? Well, to create hype for the episode of The Simpsons being realized on Sunday night, the show released a short segment of the upcoming episode. A Simpson-fied Jim Parsons, the actor behind Sheldon in The Big Bang Theory, explaining cryptocurrency. During the segment, Parsons briefly explained how blockchain is essential to the function of Bitcoin, then explained how the chain works, including its distributions and how blocks are added to the chain. The segment, which was somewhat factually questionable at times, also included a joking caption card in which the show makers joke that they know who Satoshi is, but we're not telling, and also joking by writing that it's a total pile of cryptocurrency, referencing the more profanity-filled version of that phrase.
I will explain cryptocurrency.
People think I'm a nerd, but I'm actually super cool. That's why I'm here to talk about the really cool subject of distributed consensus-based cryptocurrency. Ka-chinga. For cryptocurrency to work, we need a record of every transaction that occurs. These are recorded in what's called a distributed ledger.
I'm a consensus of shared and synchronized digital data spread across multiple platforms from Shanghai to Grenada. Each day I'm closer to being cash of the future. Not in your wallet, I'm in your computer. Oh yeah!
Crypto Twitter has quickly become enamored with this 2-minute segment, sharing it everywhere and anywhere. No one has yet to a conclusive opinion on how what was said will affect public perception of the industry, but I will tell you just my 2 Satoshis here. Anytime Bitcoin is brought into the limelight, it's good for Bitcoin and crypto because it brings more awareness to the industry. What are your thoughts? This segment comes as his writer has noticed a strong uptick in mainstream media outlets, including CNN, Bloomberg, Barron's Financial Times, etc., covering Bitcoin and the broader industry. So with mainstream mentions of Bitcoin and crypto by shows like The Simpsons and outlets well known like CNN, it should come as no surprise that data indicates retail investors are flooding back into the industry. Late last month, analyst Crypto Kia noted that search interest for buy Bitcoin recently reached the 7-month high, reaching a level of 10 per his analysis. This is important because a strong uptick in interest, as for the aforementioned term, with the most attributes to consumers, not institutions, marked the start of 2017's effectively parabolic rally to $20,000. Not to mention, our analysis found the interest from Googlers in altcoin, Bitcoin halving, Ethereum, amongst other terms, have started to grow. Also, industry researcher from The Block, Larry Kermack, recently pointing out that Coinbase's average daily volume has shot up in February, which has historically been a really good sign for the market. And taking a look at his tweet on crypto Twitter, he wrote, volume in February is continuing to shoot up. That's historically a really good sign about the market. It's almost at the same level as in May now. And he also added, historically, there's a very close correlation between volumes and Bitcoin price. The numbers indicate that the exchange saw an average of $342 million worth of trading volume every day in February thus far. $342 million is nearly 3 times that of the average seen in December of 2019. And taking a look at the total crypto market, we can see Bitcoin is in the green, still up 2.3%, trading just below $9,900. This is cool that we saw the 2% surge because it was starting to get questionable if we would have broke below $95 or even $9,600 support. swore that we'd continue moving on downwards, but now that we have surged and we've surpassed 9,700 and we're above 9,800, I agree with Josh Rager that if we close above this, that we will continue inching and moving forward, breaking that $10,000 critical psychological resistance and moving onwards and upwards from there. Ethereum is up 3.2%, trading at $271. XRP up 2.7%, trading at 28 cents. Miss Litecoin up 3%, trading at $78. EOS up 4%, trading at $4.30. BSV up 2%, trading at $289. Bitcoin Cash up 4%, trading at $393. BNB is up 2%, trading at $22.55. Link is up 1%, trading at $4.26. So as you can see, all the major cryptos are back in the green once again, following the track record of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin surges, we already know what happens to the alts, and that's exactly what's happening to the entire crypto market at this moment. So, can the total crypto market cap hit $10 trillion by 2023? And if it did, what would the projected Bitcoin price likely be? Let's discuss it, shall we? Popular YouTube crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen has been considering the logarithmic regression band for the total crypto market cap in his latest video, and based on his analysis, thinks that the total digital asset market cap could hit $10 trillion during the next bull run. So, what's a logarithmic regression band? While it may sound like AI-generated musicians for psychotherapists to relax to, a logarithmic regression band is actually the range of values to which the crypto market tends to fall back when it's not in a bubble. It is represented by the green band on the chart, which you can see on your screen right now. So, the line forms a smooth curve over time when plotted against a logarithmic value scale. At the peak of 2017-2018 bubble burst cycle, the total crypto market cap came very close to 1 trillion. I think it climbed to about 800 billion, right? However, it has since fallen back to the regression band and currently stands at around $290 billion. Plotting the difference between the total market cap and the lowest point of the regression band over time shows that the peak levels are becoming lower with each market cycle. This supports the theory of diminishing returns over time. Assuming this behavior continues, we can project the potential peak level above the regression band for the next major bull run. As an example, Cohen projects this happening in 2022. But of course, it could be earlier or later than this if it happens at all. The potential outcome of this would be a total crypto market cap of around $10 trillion at the peak of the next bubble. Could you imagine a $10 trillion market cap? I know I can. I'm visualizing over here. In this scenario, the market cap is likely to oscillate within the regression band for a while before starting its climb. But what about a $100 trillion Bitcoin? What? Yes, according to Plan B stock to flow model, the Bitcoin market cap alone is projected to go to $100 trillion. Cohen's $10 trillion market cap peak for the entire crypto market doesn't sound so impressive against that prediction. Of course, the 100 trillion Bitcoin is still some way off in the future. The projected price increase in the stock to flow model happens because of the artificial limiting of supply over time. The next halving will happen in May this year, May 12th to be exact. We'll be counting down here shortly in a segment of the show. However, the $100 trillion projection isn't due until another 2 halvings after that, or sometime in 2028. So for now, a $10 trillion market cap by 2022 will have to do. And at current Bitcoin dominance levels, a $10 trillion total market cap gives a Bitcoin price of around $330,000. I'll say that again. At current Bitcoin dominance levels, a $10 trillion total crypto market cap gives a Bitcoin price of around $330,000. So that's something to look forward to. So what do you expect the Bitcoin price to be projected at when there is a $100 trillion market cap as projected by the stock to flow model? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. The total crypto market cap is currently sitting at $286 billion, and the volume in the past 24 hours is $139 billion, and the current BTC dominance is 62.8%. 0.6%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the market within the top 100, we have Aon leading the pack up 15%, trading at 15 cents. Block Stack up 9%, trading at 17.5 cents. Komodo up 8%, trading at 77 cents. Matic Network up 7%, trading at 2.2 cents. Swipe up 7%, trading at $1.25. And Theta up 7%, trading just below 14 cents. And now for the biggest losers, Hedera Hashgraph down 7%, trading at 4 cents. Kyber Network down 5%, trading at 55 cents. Algorand down 2%, trading at 43 cents. Icon down 2%, trading just below 40 cents. Bitcoin down 1.8%, trading at 0.0005. And Augur down 1%, trading at $13.57. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are in control, leading with about 118 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin longs leading 53.3% versus 46.6% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 46 in fear, yesterday a 43 in fear, last week a 49 neutral, and last month a 50, which is neutral. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, and when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown, here we go. 78 days, 20 hours, 29 minutes, and 33 seconds left to go. But who's counting? I am. We count down every day here on the show to help bring awareness to the Bitcoin halving. So what you can do to help support the show is like the video, comment down below, share this with others, and help spread this awareness. I personally feel we will continue inching higher and higher for the Bitcoin price leading up to the halving. I would not be surprised if we break last year's Bitcoin high, which was 14,000, which is about where Bitcoin closed at the end of 2017 after having a parabolic rise to 20,000. I personally feel we will break 14,000 leading up to this halving in the next 78 days. And post-halving, I feel we will surpass $20,000 per Bitcoin, reaching a new all-time high. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking on Show More, and it's going to show you a detailed analysis of what's going on. And this goes for all of my videos here on YouTube. And I also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. If you want to visit, just click the link. This blog is updated every single day, in which you can download the latest episode of the podcast. We're also on YouTube, and I know you're a smart cryptopreneur, so I'm going to assume you've already subscribed, but if you haven't, you already know what to do. We're also on all the major podcasting platforms, including iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, TuneIn. So whichever community you're active in, please help support the show. I greatly appreciate it. Also, you can follow us on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. And also, I have a private crypto Facebook group, over 17,000 strong and climbing. If you want to be a part of it, all you need to do is click this link, request to join. I'll plug you in and make sure you get added so I can look forward to connecting with you on a personal level. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat, which all you need to do is click this link from a mobile device and you'll automatically be plugged in. And I'm looking forward to connecting with you inside. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this crypto matrix. If you got value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.